Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 686 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the NOYAH Organic Lip Balm set in Peppermint and Vanilla, which I got in my December 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box, and I was very happy to get these products. First of all, I love lip balms and my lips need some lip balm right now, which is why I chose these products to try out today. But I also love that these are organic. I'm really into organic products. I try and buy organic food when I can. So when I saw organic makeup products, I was so excited. So these have a retail value of $7.98 for 2 of them, which is a pretty good price point. And it says it's 5 ingredients. This balm leaves lips soft and supple with 100% certified beeswax and organic coconut, olive, and essential oils. Sounds so nice. A hint of stevia helps indulge your sweet tooth and protect your lips from the winter chap. Well, I definitely need that. I'm gonna start out by trying out the mint one. They're very similar, so I may actually save the second one to give to James, my boyfriend, because his lips get so dry in the winter just like mine, and he's always looking for good lip balms. So if this one's a good one, I may give that second one to him, which is why a 2-pack is so great. You can keep one for yourself and give one to a friend. But I love mint, so I went for that, and I think that he would like vanilla. But so, it smells so nice. It smells so refreshing. It reminds me of like toothpaste. A very refreshing mint. And it's just the regular twist up. Go ahead and, really no need for a swatch. It has a clear color, a typical lip balm amount of shine, but really I'm just dying to find out how this works on my lips and how hydrating it is. And I have the perfectly dry lip base to find out just how moisturizing this is. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it. So easy to apply. I could do this with my eyes closed. So moisturizing immediately. I just watched my lips go from dry to hydrated. As soon as I applied it, they were immediately hydrated. And this mint one has a nice cooling feel to the lips, which is so nice. If your lips are painfully chapped, having that nice, soothing, cool feeling is going to be so relieving. So yeah, this is a perfect lip balm. For only having 5 ingredients as well, it works amazingly. It doesn't feel like it's lacking anything that any other lip balm I've ever tried has. This is also made in the USA. It's cruelty-free, gluten-free, preservative-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. I'm just looking this up online to see if they have any other products, and I see that you can buy this at Walmart, which is awesome. Oh my gosh, they make a lipstick and lip glosses. I'm on the NOYAH, not even really sure how to pronounce that, website, and oh my gosh, the lipsticks look beautiful. I need to try those out. So many gorgeous shades. Well, I love this lip balm, and that really makes me want to try out more of the products. I also love what this brand stands for, and I love that they're organic. So I definitely want to support this brand, and I definitely recommend you try them out as well. My lips are feeling so great right now. I'm definitely going to continue using this, and since it worked so well for me, I'm going to gift this to James. They also say that this can be used underneath your lipstick or on top of a matte lipstick to prevent any flaking, or they even recommend to apply it to your cuticles, which is such a great idea because my cuticles will also get so dry in the winter as well. I actually have a dry cuticle right here that's kind of cracking. So, oh my gosh, that is so nice. I wouldn't have even thought to use this that way, but that is so smart, very relieving. to my dry, cracked cuticles. I love that. So if you've tried any of the NOYAH products, I would love to hear your thoughts on them in the comments down below, especially if you've tried out any of those lipsticks or lip glosses. I would love to get some feedback on those and any color recommendations that I should try out. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.